Hi everyone, I am Maya Devi in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I prefer the subject Environmental Science and Sustainability. Subject code is GE3451 in the Department of AIDS second year 4th semester. Here are the course objectives of environmental science and sustainability explained in briefly for exam oriented points. Detailing explain about basic concept of environmental science and sustainability to improve the knowledge about causes, effects, control and prevention measures of natural resources to prevent the renewable energy and non-renewable energy sources to analyze the climate change and resource uses for current scenario to deeply understanding the green materials such as public transport, electrical vehicle, parks and gardens. This subject totally having the 30 periods. Apart from the second unit, all the remaining unit having the 6 period. It is only the theoretical subject. There is no lab for environmental science and sustainability. Environmental science is nothing but surrounded area. It is only the interrelation between the living component and non-living component. Living component means animals, birds, humans and etc. Non-living components means air, water, soil and etc. Sustainability is nothing but meeting the present needs without compromising the ability of future generation. It focuses on the balanced use of natural resource in the first unit to create the awareness about the environmental and interrelationship between the human and natural system to understand the natural resource such as renewable and non-renewable resources and their sustainable utilization. In second unit to study the ecosystem and biodiversity including the conservation of endangered and endemic species. In third unit to analyze the environmental pollution such as air, water, soil, noise and its causes. Then effect and control measures of environmental. Then to learn about energy resources, conventional and non-conventional and the need of energy conservation. Then sustainability and management, third unit. Fourth unit to learn about sustainability meaning the compromising the current scenarios and natural resources to understand the sustainability concept, sustainable development goals and environmental management. And then final unit sustainability practices. Sustainability practices to develop environmental ethics and responsibility for them protecting and environmental for future generation. Sustainability is the urban practices of green buildings and natural resources. Environmental science and sustainability aim to create environmental awareness, encourage responsible use of resources, and promote eco-friendly practices. The subject helps individual develop critical thinking, environmental ethics, and problem-solving skills necessary to protect the environment and ensure long-term sustainable development. After completing this course, students will be able to understand the basic concept of environmental science and the interrelationship between the humans and environment. Identify and explain different types of natural resources and their sustainable utilization. Analyze ecosystem structure and function and recognize the importance of biodiversity conservation. Uh, Assess environmental pollution problems and suggest appropriate prevention and control measures. Students able to understand solid hazardous and e-waste management techniques and their role in environmental protection. explain conventional and renewable energy sources and the importance of the energy conservation. Students can apply sustainability principle and sustainable development practices to real world environmental issues. Then a student can easily develop environmental awareness, ethics and responsibility toward protecting the environmental for future generation. Here are some authoritative reference books and works you can use for environmental science and sustainability. Thank you.